Hi everyone. Today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see a very interesting recipe called the bread dahi chaat. This bread dahi chaat tastes almost similar to the dahi vada itself, except that this is even more healthier because we are just toasting it on the pan. So can we see how we can make this? The ingredients required for preparing the bread dahi chaat are as follows. I've taken one loaf of bread. I've cut the brown portions of the bread. I prepared the green chutney, imli chutney or the tamarind chutney, some save, ghee required for toasting the bread, some fresh curds in which I've added some chaat masala. Along with the above ingredients, also finely chopped coriander leaves for garnishing. First, I have taken the brown portion of the bread. You can take lid of any dabba and you can keep it on the bread and just press it and take off the outside portion. So you get a round shape. So like that you can keep it aside. Similarly you can do it for the other breads. You don't have to discard this, all these pieces, keep it aside and you can grind it in mixie and keep it for making breadcrumbs. This is just a small tip. The green chutney and the imli chutney is ready. The preparation of the green chutney, it is a blend of green chilies, coriander leaves, ginger and little bit of sugar and pudina leaves ground into a smooth paste. You can actually squeeze a little lime later. For the imli chutney, I have cooked tamarind and dates and I've added some jaggery to it and also roasted jeera. So you can look at the link and prepare these chutneys. You have to take 2 slices of bread. In one side you have to apply the green chutney, in one side you have to apply the imli chutney. Attach both and keep it as one set. I'll show you one piece. So you have to take like this. So this is one set. So similarly do for the remaining bread. I've heated up the pan and I'm keeping the bread on it, the set where I have smeared the green chutney as well as the imli chutney. It is like a sandwich. So you're going to toast this with ghee. And you need to toast it on both sides. Once it is toasted on both sides, you can keep it aside. Now everything is prepared, you have to just quickly assemble it. So if you prepare everything and keep it, it's a very quick snack. Especially if you keep the green chutney and the imli chutney prepared one day before. If your kids are hungry, you can just quickly, easily prepare this. So let's see how we can assemble it. I've added some chaat masala in the curd and I'm going to put that in a bowl. I'm going to add the toasted bread and little more of the curd and some green chutney and some imli chutney. Decorate with some save and also with some coriander leaves. If required, sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala. So the yummy and tasty dahi chaat is ready to be served. I hope you'll all try this recipe and I'm sure your kids are going to just love it and ask you to make it every time. So if you like this, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.